Hi, dolls and gents and everyone. Love y'all guys. I do apologize in advance for sniffing, coughing, clearing the throat. I've been home twice and back home since I did the last video and everything, telling you about kind of some of the drama I'm going through. And I am going to get to those winners. I'm going to do probably a winner video. I don't know yet. But anyway, yeah, I will get them out. Believe me. We've had several emergencies. I can't even believe it. But you know what? God's still good, and He's gonna take care of all. My father-in-law is better. He ended up having to get a pacemaker. It drama in it, but God's good. He ain't dead. That's all I'm thanking God for. He's not dead. He's 84 years old, and He's blessed. And but I forgot about this. My husband got this for me because I've upped my living healthy journey, and I'm doing actually really great. I mean, I can't believe that I'm doing this great, and I'm excited. I'm doing really great, eating clean and getting it all in. Yeah, water, everything. I'm doing good. I'm really happy. I couldn't be better. I'm doing really good on this new thing. So yeah, excuse me, but anywho, yeah, this is Nature Box. I had seen it all over watchn, and I told my husband about it and all that good stuff, and y'all seen it. And yeah, pretty much. And I'm so excited. I got it today. It usually takes, from what I was told when I got it, I got it at price, $9.95. I'm hoping that some people will record on me when I what you call it? You invite them. I hope that some people they'll end up going over and just saying that they heard about it through me, and I can get that extra $10. It would help me because I really want to keep getting them because I am having a hard time finding snacks that I like that are extra healthy. I've tried a few and I just don't like them. So yeah, I have the granola from Kashi. I think Kashi. I like their granola. So yeah, I like that. But anyway, this is a card. Oh, I'll show it. And for those of you that have never seen the Nature Box or wondering what it looks like, wondering what it looks like, I hope y'all guys can see that. So there's no bad blur. But anyway, and then this is the card that tells you about everything that's in the box. And then you get 5 full-size bags in the box just like that. Excuse me. And the first thing we're gonna test right on camera. The first thing I have is some lemon tea biscuits, and these here are 150 calories. You eat 12 cookies, and cholesterol is 20. Sodium is 55. It's very high carb, so this would be like a treat, like a little treat. 20 carbs, which is pretty high. Sugar is, to me, is pretty high. It's 9, and proteins is 2. So like I said, this definitely would be a dessert or a treat. And I don't know why I got a glare. I don't know, y'all. Okay, I hope you can see it better. I have a glare. Hey, this is what it looks like with bag. I'm going to apologize for that glare. There you go. And this is the bag. Okay. And I'm already almost 5 minutes. And I only opened one thing. That's what it looks like inside. Okay. And this is what the lemon thingy. Okay. The lemon tea biscuit looks like. So yeah. Mm, I like it. Definitely one. So I'm not eating those. They're not too sweet either. Okay, and that is a lemon tea biscuit. These lemon bite-sized biscuits are the perfect complement to your cup of tea. Now, excuse me, that's nice. We have Country Ranch Sunflower Kernels. Need a fuss-free snack. These ranch seasoned shelled sunflower seeds are easy to eat. And again, get this off, and this is what it looks like. Same type of bag, and I'm so excited to get these. And that's what they look like. I'm going to inside. Hope y'all guys can see that. And let's get a pinch. This is what it looks like. And little, you know what sunflower seeds look like. Okay. So, yeah. And I'm a sunflower seed gel. So I definitely, not too salty. And this here has 190 calories high. And you eat one per cup. You get about 4.5 servings out of this one. 16 total fat. Cholesterol none. Sodium 100 milligrams. Total carb 6, which is good. Fiber 4. Sugar 1, less than 1 gram. And lots of protein, 6 protein. So yeah, good properties in that. The next thing we're going to do is Big Island pineapple. Finally, pineapples are easy to travel with. Toss these dried fruits into your beach bag. Open it, same bag. Let's see. And this is what it looks like inside. And yeah. Okay, these are, let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. If y'all can see that, without this darn glare. It's like a pineapple. It's dry. Now this has 29 carbs. Another treat. Only 2. 120 calories. No sodium, no cholesterol, no fat. Fiber 3 grams. Sugar 13. See, I told you a treat. And 1 protein. So yeah. Be careful with that. Excuse me. And those lemons. Okay. The next thing we got is whole wheat blueberry figgy bars. And these are 1 bar, 5 servings. 129 calories, 3 grams of fat, no cholesterol, salt 60 milligrams, high in carbs again 23, dietary fiber 2, sugars high 11, and protein is 2. Another treat. These are all treats. I'll definitely be sharing this because And this is no high fruit, no high corn syrup, no partially hydrated oils, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors, no artificial colorings, and no trans fat. And that's for all of these products. So that's a good deal. And these things are individually wrapped. So that's a great deal. Let's see. I'll do that. They're good too. Now the pineapple was a little sticky, but it was pretty good. I like this thing. Sorry. Definitely great item. And that big is enjoy these individually wrapped big bars with a blueberry twist. And the pineapple said, finally, pineapples are easy to travel with. Yeah, I read that. I'm sorry. And last but least, make pesto substitutes for garden tomato omelet or pine nuts in your favorite pesto recipe. You can put this in a pesto recipe. It said, enjoy these individual, I'm sorry. Yeah. And it's called garden tomato omelets. Roast omelets are taken to a new level with the fresh taste of tomato and garlic. So let's get on with it. Sorry that I'm into 12. Y'all know I take my time. It's just what it is. Sorry. And this is what that looks like. They're nuts. And this is what it looks like. Hope you can see that. And it's an omelet. Garden tomato taste. I like this. So guys, this is my nature box, first one. Yay for hubby. Loving his wife enough for her journey. Yeah. Give him props. And I thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. And I will be back for the night with a winner's video. Probably. I'm not going to guarantee you that. But anywho, yeah. Love you. Stay careful.